Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning about polyphonic group 2 letter sound. Group 2 have 6 letters. So they are C, K, E, H, R, and D. Let's learn together. Letter C sound is k. So we always find letter C at the beginning. It can be say. So letter C sound is k. C is for car. Letter K sound is two. C and K are the same sound, but when we are writing, they are different. Letter E sound is a, a. Okay, our mouth say like this, a, a. Letter H sound is so H is for head or H is for hair and etc. And group 2, another letter is R. Letter R sound is R. When we see letter R beginning words, we gonna read R, R. So R is for rabbit or R is for red. The last group 2 letter is M. Letter M